Shalom Aleichem. In this video, we'll learn how to say thank you in Yiddish. The verb to thank in Yiddish is danken. Danken. The most common way to say thanks is adank. 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 Or we can say adank dir, used in more familiar situations, and adank eich, used more formally or when talking to two or more people. Adank dir, adank eich. No thanks. Nein adank. Nein adank. When used ironically, moichel, no thanks. Moichel, moichel. A großen Dank. Many thanks, thank you very much. A großen Dank. A großen Dank. Literally, huge thanks to you. A similar phrase, usually used ironically. A schönem Dank. Thanks a lot. A schönem Dank. A schönem Dank. Literally, pretty thanks to you. The exclamation, thank God. Gott zu danken. Gott zu danken. The name of the holiday Thanksgiving Day. Danktag. Der Danktag. Der Danktag.